Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanny, if you guys didn't know, and today I'm going to be doing a on-the-go makeup tutorial. So I just decided to film myself getting ready. I'm trying to get ready and talk to you guys at the same time, and it's not really working out for me. I'm using the Design Essentials Edge Control. I think it's about that time for me to wash the sew-in because I got it done on January 10th and it is now January 26th. So roughly I've been wearing this hair for 3 weeks and 2 days. Well, 3 weeks and half a day because it's early in the morning, so I'm not gonna count this day just yet, but 2 weeks and half a day. Just like the other Beauty Forever hair that I've worn before, I like the hair, which is why I always wear the hair, because it's affordable and it's a decent quality. Like, the hair isn't trash, because if the hair was trash I wouldn't wear it. So it's a pretty decent quality for the price you're paying for the hair. It blends with my natural hair perfectly, so there's really no complaints. I've been getting a little bit of shedding though. All I do at night to maintain this hair is wrap it at night, and I have some videos on my channel for maintaining a sew-in, so if you guys want to watch that, I'll link it in my cards so you guys can watch that. But I really don't do too much to this hair at all. I just wrap it at night and unwrap it in the morning and then lay my edges. And that's all I've been doing to this hair. I do have in the Brazilian body wave in the inches 16, 18, and 20. And then I had my hairstylist trim the ends for me, as you guys could see, because it did look a little see-through at the ends when I had it installed. The ends really weren't a big deal. I just wanted a clean trim look, which is why I had the hair trimmed, because I just like the way it looks like this. Let me give y'all a better presentation. But yeah, you guys can see that the hair is trimmed, and I love the way it looks. Okay, enough about the hair. Let me do my makeup real quick. So the concealer that I'm going to use is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Hazelnut. And I don't even put on primer, you guys. When I'm doing this look, like, I really don't know why I keep getting compliments on this look when I hardly have on makeup. I'm not gonna lie, this concealer does crease on me throughout the day, but somehow it still looks really good. But once the concealer starts to crease up throughout the day, I bring my sponge, so I just go back in and try to blend out the creasing, and it usually does the job. My nose is like really red right now. I just love how this concealer just melts into my skin. It looks so good. Now I'm taking the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir Foundation in the color 775 to cover up some spots. Normally I don't use foundation at all. I just use concealer, powder, and I'll put some highlight on. And then I'll take a little bit of concealer on my eyelids and blend that out. Now I'm taking the Laura Mercier A translucent powder to set my under eyes and my eyelids using the Fenty Beauty sponge. This is the Morphe E48 brush. I guess people like this look because it looks really fresh. Maybe that's it. I really don't be having a lot of makeup on at all. Typically I don't put powder on my face, but just for the sake of the video, I'm going to take the Studio Fix powder and NC47 to set my face a little bit. And then to bronze up my face a little bit, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. My nose looks so red right now. I probably should have put foundation on it, but it will be okay. I'm using the In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. Let's leave the lashes alone real quick. Brows. I'm taking the NYX Professionals Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. Comb them out real quick. Usually this is the only thing I do to my brows. I just brush them up and brush the back end down. And this is how I'll leave my brows, but I think I'm going to do a little something today. Just fill in the tail real quick. Do some flicks up here. Really light flicks. So to highlight my face, I'm taking Le Peach from Artist Couture. This is Jackie's highlighter. I'm doing really good on time. Oh, that's what I'm forgetting. Blush. How could I forget blush? Okay. Desert Rose from MAC. And I'm using my Morphe E4 brush to apply this blush. I think that's what I was missing. That's probably why it looked weird. Now I'm just making sure everything is married to my skin. I feel like I need to curl my lashes. Oh, got the handy dandy lash curler. Where's my mirror? Why do I keep putting it under this? Chapstick. I find it really weird that I drink more water with a straw than without a straw. Let me close up this edge control because I always forget to. And close up my highlighter before I drop it and be mad. And close up this foundation before I spill it. And close up my Glam Receipt powder because that was expensive. Okay, now I'm going to spray my face. Mario Badescu spray. Alrighty, I think I am done getting ready. If I wasn't filming this, this probably would have took me like 10 minutes, probably. Maybe 5 if I just did my concealer and bronzer, and then I would have just did mascara in the car at the stoplights on the way to work because that's what I normally do. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. Really simple, really easy, just in time because my battery is about to go dead. But I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye!